The future of work in the AI era. Imagine walking into your workplace 10 years from now. Your first meeting has already been summarized before it begins. Your AI assistant has prioritized your tasks. Routine reports are finished automatically. Emails have been drafted. Research has been completed overnight. Instead of spending hours on repetitive work, you're focused on solving problems, making decisions, and creating new ideas. It sounds exciting. But it also raises an important question. If AI can do more of the work, what will humans do? Will millions of jobs disappear? Will entirely new careers emerge? Or will the workplace simply evolve, as it has throughout history? Today, we're exploring the future of work in the age of artificial intelligence and what it could mean for every one of us. Let's begin. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, productivity, psychology, and the future of work, you're in the right place. Every major technological breakthrough has changed the way people earn a living. The steam engine transformed manufacturing. Electricity reshaped industry. The internet connected the global economy. Now, artificial intelligence is changing how knowledge work gets done. But history reminds us of something important. Technology rarely changes only what we do. It changes how we think, collaborate, learn, and create value. Understanding that shift may be one of the most valuable skills of the coming decade. Work is changing faster than ever. For most of human history, careers changed gradually. People often learned one profession and practiced it for decades. Today, change happens much faster. New software appears every month. New AI capabilities emerge every year. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. This doesn't mean every profession disappears. It means many professions evolve. Instead of asking, "Will my job exist?" a better question might be, "How will my job change?" That small shift in thinking changes everything. AI will automate tasks, not entire jobs. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it replaces complete professions overnight. In reality, most jobs are made up of many different tasks. Some of those tasks are repetitive. Others require judgment. Others depend on creativity or human relationships. AI is especially effective at automating structured, repetitive, and data-intensive work. For example, drafting routine emails, summarizing long documents, organizing information, analyzing large data sets, generating first drafts. But most professionals do much more than these tasks. Teachers motivate students. Doctors communicate with patients. Managers resolve conflicts. Engineers solve unexpected problems. The future is less about replacing jobs and more about redistributing how work is done. The rise of human-AI collaboration. Think of AI as a powerful colleague. It never gets tired. It processes information quickly. It can generate ideas in seconds. But like any colleague, it has strengths and limitations. The best results often come when people and AI work together. A marketer uses AI to brainstorm campaigns. A lawyer uses AI to summarize case documents. A scientist uses AI to identify patterns in research data. An architect explores dozens of design concepts before choosing one. Human expertise provides direction. AI provides speed. Together, they achieve more than either could alone. The skills that will define tomorrow. As routine work becomes increasingly automated, the most valuable skills are changing. Critical thinking, creativity, communication, leadership, emotional intelligence, adaptability, ethical decision-making. These are difficult to automate because they depend on context, values, and human experience. Technical knowledge remains important, but learning how to learn may become even more important. In a rapidly changing world, curiosity becomes a competitive advantage. Lifelong learning is the new career strategy. There was a time when education was viewed as something that happened mostly at the beginning of life. Today, learning is becoming continuous. Professionals update their skills throughout their careers. online courses, workshops, mentorship, practical experience, and increasingly, AI itself can become a personalized learning assistant. The people who thrive in the future may not be those who know the most today. They may be the ones who continue learning tomorrow. Knowledge has always been valuable. The ability to adapt may become priceless. Building a better future of work. Artificial intelligence offers an opportunity to rethink the purpose of work itself. If machines handle more repetitive tasks, people may have more time for innovation, collaboration, education, caregiving, and creative problem-solving. Organizations will still need thoughtful leaders. Communities will still need compassionate professionals. Society will still depend on trust. Technology alone cannot build those things. The future of work is not only about greater efficiency. It's about creating workplaces where technology enhances human potential instead of replacing it. That future depends on the choices made by businesses, educators, governments, and workers alike. The future of work isn't a battle between humans and machines. It's a transformation in how work is organized. AI will automate many tasks, but people will continue to provide creativity, judgment, leadership, empathy, and purpose. Success in the AI era won't depend on resisting change. It will depend on understanding change and learning how to grow with it. So, what will the future of work look like? No one can predict every detail. But one thing seems increasingly clear. Artificial intelligence is changing the tools we use, not the importance of human potential. Throughout history, every generation has faced uncertainty when new technology arrived. Yet each generation also discovered new opportunities. The same will likely be true today. The careers of tomorrow may look different from those of today. Some jobs will evolve, others will emerge. But the people who remain curious, adaptable, and committed to lifelong learning will be well positioned to shape that future. The question isn't whether work will change. It always has. The real question is whether we're willing to change with it. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into artificial intelligence, productivity, psychology, and the future of work. Leave a comment below. What skill do you believe will be the most valuable in the AI era, and why? We'd love to hear your thoughts and learn from your perspective. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.